So, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking spa wellness or health-related post for your social media. Especially if you want to create for your Instagram, then this video is for you. So creating a post in Canva is really easy. And the best part is, you don't have to create it from scratch. You can just select a template in Canva and modify that template with your own design, your own details, and you can make your own. So go to the source bar in Canva and type for spa, Instagram post. We are creating post for Instagram. So we will go with Instagram post, and you can see Canva templates available for you. Go to the CL to explore all the available options. Now choose. You can see how professional and good-looking they are. You can just pick whichever you like and customize with your own details. So maybe I will go with this one. And this one looks really good. And this one is free. Just click on it. What you can do is, if you didn't like any of them, just click on Explore More, and whichever template you like, customize that template. Customize. After that, you can see I'm fully accessible to just customize whatever I like. Adjust anything I like. So starting with text, I'll just double-click on it and add any text. And also, if you want to change, if you want more options and features available, they are available here. If you want to change font, and if you want to resize here, and if you want to change color, you can just try these features for text customization. And that was all about text customization features. Talking about changing background, what you can do is just click on the background, and here are the options to change color for your background. And that was all about background. And so if you want to change or replace this template image with your own, then you can do that. Just upload, go to the upload, and upload any images from your PC. And after that, your image will appear here. And what you need to do is you need to just drag and drop like this. Just drag and drop. Or just like this, drag and drop. Or you can make it bigger, or like this. You can adjust, or, for example, I will be picking random image from Pinterest. I'll just take it as an example. I'll just paste it here, and I will just like this, I'll just replace with this one. And in a similar way, you can modify whatever you like. Add your own text, add your own image, add your own background, add your own elements. For elements, you can go to the elements and type for any elements you like to add. And you can add your own branding colors, everything you want to modify, and to export it. When you are ready to you are done with your design to export, go to the rename your file, go to the share, download, and download it in PNG or any other available formats. Just download, and you are ready to upload your spa and wellness post for your Instagram. Thank you for watching.